Yeah, come back a bit more if you want. I just want to get a picture of all that. It looks cool.
Yeah.
I was about to say, if you do,
what I wanted.
yeah, if you do about 10 of these boats,
Yes, one on there. I'll get further up.
you should end up with like 3 brims. So.
Yeah. All right. That
Okay,
was
it's game
exactly what I wanted. Fucking yeah.
How far down? About 3 metres?
No, about a metre.
About a metre, perfect.
It probably has sank about a metre.
Even better.
Oh.
Ooh. Yep. Oh.
Look how stinky that is.
I should have had him. He was a good fish. How did I not get that?
Yeah, nice looking boat.
Right down its gut. Oh. It was. It's out here. No, I thought I'll let him swallow it, so I just left the bail arm open.
Yeah,
open.
Yeah, I saw what you were doing, but
By the time I loaded up, he was past the bow mount of the boat. Muscle in, Benny. Don't get rogered. You're going to get rogered.
I'm not. He's a nice fish.
He is a nice fish.
Look, I've bedazzled him. He doesn't know what to do. Yeah, Benny.
Nice. He's a cracker, isn't he?
Yeah.
What's those washboard brim, mate? It's muddy water, it doesn't matter.
Tiniest little
Tap.
tap. Yes, sir.
Let's see if we get another one. You right with him?
Yeah, I just slide him up.
Yep. Alright. Nice.
Oh, look at it, beautiful. Look at his.
He's a slab, eh?
Look at the toning on him. He's gorgeous.
Mate, when Pete and me were last week, they were all like this. It's got that dew shine to him, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, the whole island reef's there. Straight away. Ooh. What is it?
Huey.
Oh, have a look at that.
Little baby down the hatch.
Yeah, unfortunately we're on video, but if you weren't on video, you go, oh yeah, got a dew, couple of nice bream.
Yeah, I've got to get him back. Don't want to hurt him.
Nah. It's just good to see the little soapies in the river. I don't know. Oh, I'm going to miss my reef. See, just showing it sideways. See, it's got that same shine as the brim at the moment. I got the reef, did I? Yeah. Can you just lift that back, mate? Oh yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
I'll let you do it.
I don't know what that was. Was that in front or back?
Back. That'll do. You could probably go back and get more of them off that pole, but
that'd be everywhere then.
yeah, but it's like, do you want to?
No.
No.
No, not that size. Yeah, thought that was a brim.
Oh, yes. Oh, that was a big brim. Dude, look at that, baited. Bring us around, we'll do it again. Oh, more fingers today. Oh, where are we? You need a few marks on this island because you just can't. Like they're right on the edge of that drop off the rocks. Yeah, there's one. Oh. Come here. It's stacked with them, Ben. I'll hold the boat this way.
No, I've just rigged up.
Oh, okay. Did you? Oh, yeah, of course, with this stuff. It's the only reason I don't throw the chubbies out at them because I don't want to lose 20 bucks. It ain't little, but wherever you can find a boulder, there's fish on them. So
I think there was a post on Ferrara having some sort of algal bloom.
Oh yeah, it's all diesel oil. You can see it, there's petrol everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. So it's not algal, it's pollution. That's what they got. And it's a really funny colour in there too, like when you go in you don't really want to fish it. Where are you anyway?
Sitting on the couch.
You lazy prick. What are you doing tomorrow? You want to come back out tomorrow? Oh, this mine, yeah. He's alright, he's legal. They're I'll stick with the current, but there was a few in that reef as well. You can just tell with that current sweeping around there. I remember there used to be all racks along the back of this. Yep, yep, yep. Alright, little. Yeah, I know, we're just, it's elimination, isn't it? We sort of know where there's big bim runs. Be nice to find another one. Little brim.
Okay. Yeah, they're attracting it against the current.
Yeah, right where the reef is and the current's running over it, they're all stacked up under there.
Yeah, I can feel them.
But they're so small, we'll give it a few minutes, see if there's anything decent, and then
Feel the rock.
be good to catch a fish on like every type of structure, and this is a structure that people overlook. All the jellies.
Oh, you got one.
Hey, they got themselves a fish.
I think it's about that,
Nah. I can see the colour line where the...
That doesn't actually mean the depth though.
No. No, but we're on the... We're over the reef now.
Down. Oh, yeah. Oh. A little fish, but it was
I know. It's just cracking the pattern.
It was a brim though.
We'll go chase big brim again in a minute. I just...
Reminds me of, you know, the rock bar off Django.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. With the current. So I'm just tapping. I love this.
Come on, Roger.
No.
Do it. Don't Roger it.
I don't think he's that big. He's alright. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's nice.
Fuck, it's that light of me.
I love this. We're on the reef too early. We should have just stayed on the edges. Okay.
He's like mine. Beautiful.
Yeah, another slab.
Beautiful.
So we worked that island, worked that reef, worked that reef, this point.
That's, I mean, they're two keepers we got.
Yeah, the fish are coming off all these prime structures, eh?
Yeah.
I mean, you only got to look at the current ripping through there.
There you go, look, nibbly things there for him.
Yep.
Where'd you get him in there?
Right in the pocket.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah, his boulders.
Coming out. I wanted to go that way, but I don't. I'm mixed now.
He was going in, wasn't
He was a chubby bite, mate. I haven't had one of them. No, he chased me all the way out.
Oh.
Just chased and hooked. Oh, whack, there's another one. Oh, he flipped me. There's a school in there. I'll go up to the next point. I bet that's where we'll get our next fish. What was that?
Monster just then.
Yeah, out wide. Cool. Keep dragging it then. Tap. Tap. Yeah, I've seen that. 2 taps. I'm just putting down those little taps. Aren't big bream, so I'm not going to throw the plasy on it. I've had fun with the little ones. I want big ones now. Yep. 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 It's a bream.
Cool.
You long skinny, wasn't he?
Yeah, look for a second there, grand.
I love that chubby bite, man.
That's not bad.
See, when I went up Pete the other day, all we could do was get them. We couldn't get fish like this. They were on the back boulders.
Yeah.
But these things are chasing out. We got 2-3 hours of this. Yeah, he's another big bream. Look.
Yeah. Look at how healthy
All right.
he is.
Yeah, they're all fat, aren't they?
Just good, look at him.
And you know what? I got bent over hooks. There's his mate. That's fun.
Yeah.
It is fun.
Yeah, you know what? He's alright.
And you know, I've got my hooks. Wait till you see them. They're completely bent over. I've only got one point that works on this. Where's that ply? Oh, yeah. Yeah, nearly a pigeon pair, aren't they? That one's a bit bigger. Have a look at this. Look, I've been fishing with that.
Oh no.
This Hawkesbury River is all about fishing like the right pattern on the right tide in the right structure. You know, like you'll pick up a surface pencil for 1-2 casts over a reef, and then as you roll off the reef, you drop a plastic in, and then you keep moving. I must admit, I do love this hard body bite. You know what the other thing is? It's a quick retrieve, not like your slow, boring bream retrieves. Like you sort of ram it down into the rocks. But that took about 3 casts for him to actually start nipping at the lure, and then once that happened, the school activated. I go back into that mangrove. No, that's what I mean. They just activated, didn't they? Oh, one more like that.
We got 5.
6. 6 good legals. And that one that hooked, snapped the hook, that was probably the icing on the cake, you know. But this is, once we finish this point, you want me to go get that for you, don't you? Come on, flick him off, Benny, flick him off. Good boy. Oh, there he is. Yep. No, lost him. Yeah, oh, he's a fish. There's the thing though, they feel small when they're tapping, and then I don't know if it's a mixed school, but 2-3 casts and a big one will grab. Yeah. See, there he is again. There he is again. And again. Try yours. Go in there. You're all a bit died, like you might be tapping a bit better than me. I'm too shallow, I think. No, that'll get him. Yeah. Oh. Change direction. Yeah. Oh. Change direction. I've had plenty of opportunities. He must be small. Or he's grabbing my bent hook. That was right into those dead sticks at the back there. Try that. He's hit about, oh, can't wait for you to do your glass. Oh. Right, now try that. That would have woke him up. You're right, I'm go over the top. That's the one. A lot of current going through there though.
Oh, right between the two rocks.
Yeah, where he's supposed to be. I go around the front of him. There. Where are you? Oh, I got a feeling I'm going to have to pick up that wubber rod. Or we go look for more shallower hard body water.
Oh, did you do this when I hit it in the truck?
Yeah, like that.
Go.
That's tiny.
See, but he wanted.
Still, it felt like you don't know what it was going to be until you see it, sort of feeling.
Yeah, they got a fair bit of spirit.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you can see why they're here. It's just crystal clear there.
Oh, we're just getting it right.
Yeah, right. I'll kick us out as we go.
I've used it, right? What do you know?
The slaters or the water cockroach.
Yeah.
Yeah, just never done any good with them. I know there's a lot of fish around them. Yeah. Sound of fish in there. Oh, no, I hate that. I didn't even know the camera was on.
Look at that. That's
Here's a chunk.
Put it on you.
Yep.
That's a good fish.
He is a good fish.
Big long. Yeah, he's long. They're all beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish.
There's just some quality in the Hawkesbury at the moment.
Well, I'm going to get one of them.
Look at that. Oh, he's fat. Look at him.
Look at this.
Look at that. I hope the camera was rolling when he did the lifted out of the water. I didn't know I had him on. That's a monster. Oh yeah. Yeah, God, I love this.
Yeah, he fucking.
Children's program.
He really hit that.
That's better. This thing's a slab.
Wow, that's nice. I got a nice one, not like yours, but.
No, this is a kilo of him. I was going to do some bragging the Pete, but I can't be bothered. I think he'll be sitting there at work going, oh, I haven't heard nothing, so they're probably catching nothing. See ya, buddy. Makes that one look little, but he's still a nice fish.
He's solid, yeah.
So that was why I kept thinking, oh, I could get more fish on a Plazzy, but I just wanted to get that hard body. Coom.
Yeah. Oh, like this one.
Yeah.
Going the opposite direction. It's felt great.
Well, did you see that one flip?
Yeah.
It was a surface bite. It's going to rain because look, all my whole colony of ants are going nuts. They're your ants too, by the way.
Not bad.
Yeah. Ain't going nowhere. I'll drop that one. I'll just keep moving on though. Yep. Oh.
Fish?
No. It was. I don't know what it was.
There we go. Oh, come on, come on.
Come on, should be another one coming up here. You get behind that rock though?
Oh.
Yeah. You get him?
Oh. Yes.
Oh.
Quite happy with this colour today.
Yeah.
Working.
Well, it's got that red sticking out of the green.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep, big flathead dinner. No, little bream. What would I know? It's alright. It's legal bream. Still more fun with the hard bodies though. So we would have been happy with these normally. Oh, it looks like it's going to rain. Just goes to show though, it's not about spots on this river, it's about water colour and structure. That's all it is. They can be anywhere. Did you go in there?
No.
Oh, I'd see that.
Yeah.
Something? Just having a go at that. I like little silver biddies. Well, there's my theory with the boulders, just there. Oh, too late, I've already got one. Taylor were chasing them. I don't know if I want to waste my rubbers on that. I've got 3 red rubbers left. Come on, get him.
Oh!
Is it as bigger than mine?
Just right in the crack. He's bugging it. Oh!
Did you lose him? Oh.
No, it wasn't that.
But that, once again, look, no run, no fun. We're straight into that run.
Really cool.
He was a lot better fish than that one.
Better than that, but
yeah.
still wasn't.
The shows.
He plunked that and stopped.
Mm-hmm.
And
It was a good fish then.
Ah.
See, I barely run my drag because I got it that tight. The little ones you sort of think that are a half decent fish, and then next minute the drag runs a couple of foot and you know it's not.
Yeah. No one wants to get rods with, so I'm not putting around with my drag. We're going to get it hammered on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If it doesn't rain, like we've been lucky.
Oh,
Oh, there's our little boulder. Oh, he's following me. No.
There's a ripper there.
I know, I'm going to go in front of it first.
Yeah. Oh, I'll see if we got more.
Again and again. Who's there?
Little.
Oh, I don't know. They were bitch slapping it. That's what they were doing. Oh, you know why? Look, my hook's on.
Oh, no.
That's why. That's what I mean. It felt like it was a real fish. All right, I'm going to go in on you.
Do it. No, wait for it. Let's see. Come on. Best colour lure of the lot.
Yep. #1 brim lure. That's why I wish I had the rubber loaded, because I don't know if that was a big fish or not. Yeah, it just shows that we got to go to another run. But I reckon when we come around the outside of that reef this time, yeah, I reckon we'll get another go on that point. Got him out now. I got him out now.
Come on, fish, give him a good run. Oh,
He's a good, could be the fish of the day, man. Oh, he's only a brim. Oh, only a brim.
What do you mean? What do you want it to be?
Well, it's funny, I was just waiting to get to this point thinking,
He's got the hole.
yeah, he's going nuts.
He's dogging it.
He's
a ripper.
It's just he's so fat, that's why.
He's an older fish.
Look how fat he is.
Oh, I wouldn't be doing that this time.
Haven't used a net yet today.
No.
They're just fatties, mate. Wait.
Yeah, that's a
Big fish.
yeah.
He just bent my hook back around.
Definitely got more than 4.
We got
Say 4.5.
yeah, we got 4 like this.
Yeah.
And then one about 600 grams.
Yeah.
So yeah, about 4.5 kilo probably. And that's what we're here for.
5/8's the full. I mean,
Yeah.
full.
But look at my hooks. I keep bringing them back around. It's amazing I'm even catching a fish on these. I got hooks there. Something about this Hawkesbury, mate, when you got a run like this and the lure's working, don't do anything to change it. Geez, that was it. I just turned the camera off too on that hookup. The tide's just starting to run out. But I reckon we go around the corner there, we might get another one. Yeah. Still here. Fiery little things, aren't they? Wow. They used to be just little beach shacks. No. Not now.
Remember the crazy guy who used to here?
Yeah, the one that used to jump on your boat.
Yeah, baby top at the worst.
Yeah, and Andy Howard got it.
Really?
Yeah. He said he's psycho. He jumped off the pontoon onto his boat, and then he started. I'm just going to go over here. Started going. How do you like that? How do you like that? Where's his friend? Look at this water. They say.
Why would you want to live in here?
No, there'll be no fish here. They say this is a blue-green algal bloom, but it's not. This is pollution. This is sewage. Look at it. Look at the yellow.
That's
Oh,
actually.
that's disgusting, man.
I'm actually going to say algal bloom.
Yeah, but from what? It's not from heat. This
I know,
is.
but see that?
Yeah, it's. I'm saying it's a chemical reaction. I reckon it's a chemical reaction because look at it. Like you said, it's. You can call it an algal bloom, but what created it?
I know. I just.
We haven't had a hot day up here.
You don't see shit like that.
No, we've had rain.
If it was a fish, I wouldn't be here.
Trouble is, we're just fishermen.
That's a nice rock.
We're just fishermen and we don't know how to test water. Get down. I'd be surprised if we catch a fish here. Yeah. Watercolour's everything, man.
That looks scary.
That's disgusting. So there's a bit of green at the back there, but I'm disgusted in this. Like, this is a man-made pollution, man. It's not like we haven't had a day over 25 for what?
You had a good service flight that day with Roger.
Oh yeah. Well, you know what it's like when this is black water. It's a 20, 30, 40 fish session. 5 fish along here between boats. Look how red this water is. If the watercolour's red, it's dead. There's no fish in it. Or there's fish in it, they won't feed. And if you have a look at our video today, you'll see all the places we caught fish. You have a look at the watercolour, it had a green tinge to it. And then we come back in here in the brow and it's just bright red algal blooms, or so-called algal blooms. I think it's just raw sewage, to tell you the truth. My biggest concern about that would be the COVID. Like they've got COVID in Hornsby and Galston, Brow, sewage. And now it looks like there's raw sewage in the water here, so it's a bit of a worry. You know, but have a look at that. That's normally black tea. And when we got here this morning, there was just oil slicks on everything. We were fishing around some moored boats. We missed a couple of fish, there was fish there, but it was just a pure oil slick. And the way they were taking the lures, they were just tail grabbing. Really, we didn't really start catching decent fish until we got out into the Hawkesbury itself. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and just take that on note. When you see that colour water, leave it and go and look for green water. That's my tip. Thanks guys. Look, it's an absolute river running down.
No way. Oh, that's dangerous.
You gotta always crawl through these because these washouts cut the roads.
Oh my god.
My cousin crossed one of these once in a Land Cruiser and he ended up, the roof of the ute was underneath the water when he dropped into it.
Car behind you.
I know, but I'm not going to quick over.
No, no,